Hey, brothers.
Get a load of all this brothers. Brother.
Just rolling through the canyon, heading to one of the most legendary spots in Southern California, Cook's Corner. And doing it during Born Free weekend. This place is about to get stupid crowded. Coming around the corner, there it is. That old-school roadhouse sitting right at the corner of Santiago and Live Oak. A sea of steel. Just wait till later and you'll see triple the steel. Born Free has been my favorite since back in '09. Some choppers, bobbers, and my favorite, rat bikes. If you've ever had one, they're like a needy girlfriend or boyfriend, but I love them. Cook's Corner has been here forever, since the 1880s. I first rolled in 50 years ago when it was just a single building, and have watched it expand over the years. Here's a patch not everyone can earn. Getting here a little early while there's still parking and somewhere to sit. Good band playing today, Monkey Puddle. Some good old classic and hard rock. Led Zepp, Van Halen, Motley Crue. Anyways, check them out. I was hoping to catch some rat bikes here, but don't really see any. Bummer. Guess I'll have to wait till later. Still a lot of steel to check out. Ha! I see my buddy's Triumph Rocket 3. That thing is straight up ticket material. Man, 2,500 cubic centimeters is a beast. I got to mess with his controls. Well, time to meet up with some chapter members, Steadfast MC and others.
Ride free, my friends. Ride safe.